hi YouTube. Say hi YouTube. Welcome back to another video. What's your name?
What truck?
Your truck? Your truck? What's your name? Look now. What's your name? Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna be filming with my nephew. Say hi. Say hi guys, welcome back to another video. Anyways guys, let me show y'all something. Oh yeah. No, don't go baby, stay. Yeah guys, so I bought a new car seat covering for my car because come Bobby, come, because I'm tired of the one I have in the car. I have this red and black interior, so this is how inside my car look now. In a dirty and nothing like that, but it kind of dirty. But anyways, let me show you all the front. Oh, your hands are dirty. Come let me wipe them. Go. Let me just show y'all guys inside quick and fast. Let me take up this plate. I was eating grapes this morning. Yeah, so this is the inside of my car. So I bought another one of these right here, and then I have a brand new car seat covering in this box, which is red. So you guys gonna customize my car with me. But first, come baby, let me get you all cleaned up. Come wipe your hands. Oh, my wife's not the car. Haha. Oh no, I'm right inside. Come. Say hi YouTube. Hi. Say hi YouTube. Alright guys, so the sun is so freaking hot. Anyways, I'm gonna open this because I get the package about 2 days ago. I honestly just open it and just pull it out to see it and put it in, but I never actually open it up and look on it, feel where it feel like that. So we're opening this together for the very first time. You excited? Pull it off. Pull it off. Pull it off. Pull it off. Oh, yay! Thank you. Say thank you. Alright, so this is the instruction. Oh, then because the last time I bought mine back in 2023, when I had first, I paid $84 for it. No, because I'm just Black Friday sale, I buy it the Black Friday weekend. I'm gonna get it for $54. So yeah, I'm gonna fix up the baby. C-box, look, C-box, cleared it. Then stuff to fascinate. So we're sitting it together for the first time, guys. It's nice. Let me rest it there.
Nice.
Yeah, nice. It's nice. Yeah, it's nice. But the quality feels so good. It feels so good. But I'm excited to change up inside of my car because I'm the red and black seat for too long now. So I just want something different. Thank you. Thank you so much. Clap. Clap yourself for helping me. Yay! Thank you, baby. Thank you. Wow. Wow, thank you. Wow! You might help me, guys. Thank you. Clap yourself for helping me again. Yay! Alright, so let's begin. Mark, let me know some cousin time people put their foot right here, sir? Yes. You're dirty, not my car. Should I do something to you?
What did you do?
What? Should I do something to you? Jesus Christ, I'm saying it's a good thing me I change it. Look what I did. Oh, I'm showing you what I'm doing on my car today. I'm so tired. Let me see if I can see it. Okay, boy, my car seat covering. Yes? I think I'm gonna see it, but boy, I said the boy just monkey at the back of the car. Alright, so since I'm over there to sit down, I'm gonna go do the passenger front seat first. But now I'll get rid of this because I like it and it's really comfortable in the car, so I'm keeping this car pillow. I can't even see if I pull this. Oh, yeah, I'm keeping this car pillow. I'm not getting rid of it. So hopefully, let me go see if it actually matches the red. It kind of match it even though the sun burn it up, because if you look on this compared to the back seat one, them one you get so pale and the back seat one them so bright red. But yeah. I want to put things not to pull on still in there. Oh boy, we'll leave us something I have to pull on. Jesus Christ. Oh. Oh my God. Alright guys, so I'm gonna pull off the first car seat covering. I totally forget to say my car seat are definitely leather, you know. So imagine me I put leather on top of leather car seat. But if you sell my car still, this brand new, never sit down pan, raw, just so it always no car seat covering. No tear, no scratch, no nothing. Still smells brand new too. What you want for me? Hi. You writing? You writing? What you want actually? Yeah guys, so I'm gonna install the first seat. I'm gonna look at what it looks like. After about 20 minutes of trying, I'm still not reaching it. This one is more difficult. And then putting it on, I realized it have a gap at the side and you can actually see the leather from the original car seat. The other one it fully covered, so I don't really like this. Boy, but I'm gonna get it done anyways. But I'm just gonna a little bit of it before, which is this red and black, and then I'm gonna just show you after, because God knows this harder than I thought. This was more easy to install. The other one more hard of install. So I'm gonna just do every single thing and then I'm showing you guys how inside that look. Oh, and I bought some more of these. I'm gonna change these because these one burnt out. So I'm gonna change all of them. Yep. Okay guys, so this is the after. It take me all long to till I'm watching. Night soon come down. But anyways, this is it. And around the back, and I love this new interior more than the other one. It's just full red. Nice. I love it. So yes. But as I said, I don't really like this because the other one, the car seat itself, these it cover. The side of these right there, all of those it cover. So I'm just off there. If my car nobody in here, you know, scrape and this and that, and you know, strip it off. But yeah, this is the after, and I love it. What happened to you? Oh, as me said this shit, me not do this now. Damn, I forgot to do it now. And then if it's not too dark, I'm showing it after I finish.
Wow.
So then install them. So this is the new look now. So I'm done. Yeah. Smile for me. Smile. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Okay guys, I was just showing you my car interior, so I didn't know long, it's just short. But yeah, took me about 2 hours to be honest, when I lied. Give me work. Don't go outside, baby, come. So if you guys enjoy this video, you can like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in another video. Bye. Come here, Malcolm. Say bye. Come, look. Look, say bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Say thank you for watching. Bye guys.